today we are at another car event in Yokohama called Levolant 2024. Here you will see advanced SUVs and late EVs and also some old cars. If you like to see those cars, come join me in this video. This is a Tesla Cybertruck with big wheels that help it go 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. And its mileage is 547 kilometers. On a full charge, it has one big single wiper, which is very interesting because almost no car has a single wiper except the Cybertruck. If you can't afford the Cybertruck, then you can get the Model Y SUV, which is still a great SUV, and it's the most top-selling EV in Europe. So you should probably get it if you don't have enough money to buy the Cybertruck. Meet the Lotus Eletre S. It is a very interesting SUV with a 0 to 60 of 4.5 seconds, and its max speed is 258 kilometers per hour, which is 2 kilometers per hour slower than my car. This car has 1,500 liters of baggage space in its trunk. And this car is actually 5.1 meters, which is very long compared to normal cars. Here we have a Lexus LM500, which is probably the most luxurious minivan in Japan. This Lexus LM500 is actually better than the Toyota Alphard 2024. Maserati MC20 Cielo, producing 630 horsepower with a 3000cc engine that makes the car go 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. With a top speed of 320, this car is very fast, and this car also has a 8-speed DCT transmission, and personally I don't really like this car. Here we have a Mitsubishi Triton and a Mitsubishi Delica, which are doing a hill climb challenge, and the Mitsubishi Delica seems to be doing better, but I think it's because of the driver that the Mitsubishi Delica is doing better than the Mitsubishi Triton. Aston Martin DBX 707 with a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour and a 3.3 second 0 to 60. This car is priced at 34.9 million Japanese yen, which I think is not worth it. Do you agree with me or not? Behind me, we have Aston Martin Volante, which has a max speed of 325 kilometers per hour and it has an 8-speed automatic, and its 0 to 60 is 3.6 seconds, which is actually pretty fast, and it has 670 horsepower. Here you can see 5 different colors of the Volvo EX30. They are priced at 5.5 million Japanese yen, which is quite a lot of money in Japanese yen. Here we have a Toyota BZ4X EV 4-wheel drive, 6.5 million Japanese yen, nice SUV. It looks actually pretty beautiful, but I think the Model Y still looks better than it. The mileage is 491 kilometers, which is less than Tesla's. This is a Jeep Wrangler that I totally dislike, but my dad really wants this but cannot afford it. The only thing I like about this Jeep is the tube here, which has a warning of do not puncture with heat or fire or it may explode. Here we have a Solterra that can go 350 kilometers, and it is the EV. It is the only EV of Subaru, and on my left I have a Subaru Levolant, which is an STI Sport version, and it is gas powered unlike the Solterra. How are this Godzilla and this Volkswagen Golf related? Well, the Volkswagen has Godzilla printed on it, and it looks pretty interesting. Here we have 3 compact Honda SUVs behind me that have different colors and different grills. They all look nice, but I really like the Vezel HEV, the blue one behind me. This is a Lamborghini Urus, and it's very rare to see in Japan. So would you ride it or not?